Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I did not plan this video, it just kind of came about, but I'm going to do a ColourPop unboxing. And since when did ColourPop change their packaging? I've always got anything I ordered in a nice sturdy box. There are two palettes in here, in this. So, I was actually going to film a video, using the Sigma and Angela Bright palette. Hence, everything done, but my eyes wanted to be buttholes today. So, they're watering. I have taken my allergy medicine and Benadryl, and I'm waiting for my physician did prescribe me some, I think she said Singular for this, because it's been bad. It's not just watery eyes, you know. If it were just that, I would, you know, I mean, you guys have seen me do videos of watery eyes, but the migraines, sinuses. Ugh. Anyway, so here I am, nothing on my eyes. If you see me dabbing at my eyes, it's because I'm trying to keep them from running down my face. But in waiting for the Benadryl to kick in a little bit, this came. So I was like, oh, I'll film my ColourPop. So, ColourPop had some kind of, I don't know what it was called, but it was a big old sale. And there was one palette that I really, really, really wanted. And so I got it. And it was next to nothing, truly. I don't want to say that, but guys, I don't buy anything full price. If I can help it. And I really am done buying. Yeah, I'm done buying. Budget's blown. Done. So, anything else you see moving forward will be things that I've already had, that I just hadn't used or you guys hadn't seen. Anyway, so, the first thing is this Soul Shimmering Dry Oil. This one is in the shade Opal Teeny, and it came with a body kabuki brush. So let's open this up and check her out. And this is, gosh, it's so small. It's a dry oil. But oh, that is really pretty. It's very you could tell that it's settled on the side, but that's what it looks like. Very iridescent. And I thought this would be really pretty. You know, for around the putting around the shoulders a little bit, or you know, kind of up in here. And it came with this really nice kabuki brush. Really nice. So yeah, I'm super excited to play with this. It's not a very big bottle, but you know, I don't need a very big bottle. So that was a nice sale find. And then we got, does it list the prices on the, no, it don't. But it took an extremely long time for this to come in. this is the Troublemaker palette, and this is how it was in the kind of in that envelope. I'd never seen this palette and saw it on their that's the front and the back, and I saw this on their site, and I want to say this one was only $7, but it's a pressed powder palette, but it's very cool toned. But there was a shade, and I do believe that it's this one that is, yeah, it is a duochrome, and it was just so pretty. And I don't know why I'd never seen this, but it is beautiful, really pretty. And I'm starting to dabble a little bit more into cool tones. So I'm super excited to play with this palette. That was very, very inexpensive. And I got a Super Shock. Not that I needed it, but this one was so pretty. And on sale too. Everything was on sale. Everything I got was on sale. I didn't. And then with an additional code. So this is in the shade Social BB. And let's open. It's a pretty component. It's a very lilac component. And this too looked to be a multi or duo. But, and I'll swatch them in another video. I'm just kind of unboxing everything now. And this was what I really went on the site to get. And it is the ColourPop Smoke and Roses, the bigger palette. And please don't be broken. Please don't be broken. And it is not broken. That is what she looks like. It's got some cool, some warm neutrals. I mean, it's just got beautiful colors that I can't wait to play with. I can totally see this being an everyday type palette. I've got 3 other of these palettes that are made like this. I think 3. But I wanted this ever since I saw it come out. If I could, out of all of them that I have, I think I would trade all of them for just this one. That's how much I really like this palette. Or at least like the color story. I mean, I haven't tried it, but, or seen it in person. So, I'm looking forward to trying those. But, that is it for this ColourPop haul unboxing. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't already. Click the bell. Give this video a like or dislike. You know, leave me some feedback. What do you guys want to see me try first out of this little haul? Okay, guys. As always, be beautiful, be kind, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.